I have this unfinished wood house. It has a little roof on it. I got it from Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to start by painting both the front and back side using some Wise Owl ivory. Once the front side was dry, I then flipped it over and painted the entire back. I then took my little foam dabber here in some General Finishes Antique Walnut Gel Stain, and I did the roof on the front side in the gel stain. I'm going to allow everything to fully dry, and once dry, I took some Wise Owl 1-hour enamel clear, and I painted it on the front and back side of my wood house. I found these garden stakes from the Dollar Tree. They have a seahorse, a seashell, an octopus, and a turtle. And I took my drill and my bolt cutters, and I drilled a hole in the top of each shape and then cut the stake off the bottom. I went back to my house once my 1-hour enamel clear had dried, and I found this little sticker at the Dollar Tree. It says, "It's a sure thing." Now, if I had two, I would place one on the front and the back, but I only had one, so I focused on the front side that has the roof. I then took this wood round, I painted it in some Wise Owl Higgins Lake. This measures 6.5 inches round, and I painted it on both the front and back side. Once it was dry, I took my straight edge and I went a 1/2 inch in on both the top, bottom, left, and right side of my wood round, and I drilled a hole. So I have a total of 4 holes drilled on my wood round that are a 1/2 inch in from the edge. I have this fishing string. It's clear, so it's going to be hard to see, but I'm going to go up through one hole, down through the one across from it, and I'm going to make the strings even for the moment. I'm then going to string it through my first sea animal, and then I'm going to take that end and string it back up through the hole. Then I'm going to go to the other side, and I'm going to string on my second piece, and then take that end and put it back up through that hole. And then I'm going to take the 2 ends and tie them together. Now, you do want these to hang, but they do not have to hang evenly. So that's what it looks like at the top. And then I'm going to repeat the same exact thing for the other 2 holes. I'm going to string the ends of the fishing line through both of the holes. Then I'm going to take my one shape, string it on, and then put the string back up through the hole and do the same thing with my 4th shape. Now you can hang these from the circle however is easiest for you. And then you tie those 2 ends together. So everything is hanging nicely off of this wood round. The clear fishing line hides the knots and everything, so you can hang them individually if you would like. I'm going to pull everything so it's laying nice and flat on my wood circle. I added a screw-eye hook to the top of my house there. I just screwed it into the top there. I had some wood beads that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to hang that from the hook. I removed some of the beads, and I tied a little loop. I'm then going to take some wood glue and a little bit of hot glue. Hot glue is going to be the instant hold. Wood glue is going to be the stronger. And I'm going to glue my house on top of my wood circle. And then now we have this really fun beach-themed wind chime. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials over on our webpage. Have a great day.